Cheers, it's Sunday, we're drinking. Cheers, it's Sunday, we're drinking. You don't get a pound and a half anymore, it's a pound and a quarter. So I'm not putting all the... Hey, that. I'm gonna eat this.
Very thick. Might have to thin it. Cheers, it's Sunday, we're drinking. It's Sunday, we're drinking. Yeah! 2 slices of tomato. 1, 2. Separate them. Some parsley on each.
Cheers, it's Sunday, we're drinking. 1977, Dinty Moore Stew. 1977, Dinty Moore Beef Stew, Stroganoff. Let's try a piece. We have a big, that's a big piece of meat. That's actually a big piece of meat here. Let's do it. Meat and noodle. Okay, that was really tender. Of course it's canned. I have to say, there's something about seeing it in the cream sauce that almost makes it taste better. You can't see what it really looks like. Let's take another bite here. That's delicious. We hate parsley, but you know, in the olden days, they garnished with a lot of this parsley. Let's do it then. Let's take some noodles and parsley. Oh, let's cut a piece of tomato. Just cut a tomato wedge. Did I do that? Did I do it? Yeah. Let's take a tomato wedge and some noodles. Very fresh. Wash it down with wine. Oh. I think with all the sour cream, it loses a touch of saltiness. You know, salt is bad for us, but let's just give it one shake. I'll try it again. I think that's a piece of potato, and I think that's a carrot. I think we have a carrot. I like the slight addition of salt because we added all that sour cream. Now let me say, where's the can? So it's like a pound and a quarter, where it used to be a pound and a half. So I pulled back a little bit on the mushrooms and sour cream. Just saying. They used to be so proud to put 1.5 pounds on the label. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a homemade version of Dinty Moore following like the 1957 ingredient list. Not exactly, because I don't want to buy a whole jar of caramel coloring, But Kitchen Bouquet, the first ingredient is caramel coloring. So, and it does say spices, and the original ingredient list said spices, and we don't really know what that means. Maybe tomorrow or Tuesday, we're going to make a homemade Dinty Moore. Just potatoes and carrots. I'm not sure I taste the onions. We got to take another bite. I'm enjoying this, though. It's really quite good. Huh? I'm happy. Takes a lot to make me happy. No, it doesn't. Cheers! It's Sunday. We're drinking. My only complaint was that I think it lost a little sodium, so a dash of salt, and this is quite a meal. Hey, 1977, now let's get a piece of meat. There we go. 1977, Dinty Moore Stew Stroganoff. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Why do I do that?